Hello, my name is Scott Thompson. I am an instructor here at Broadway Family Karate. Today's video tutorial will be on the Low Knifehand Strike. Now, this is one of our techniques out of our black belt pattern this term. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at both our hands and what our feet are doing. Knife hand, just like you would with a knife hand going in any other direction. Fingers cupped slightly in, thumb on its side. We're actually striking with this part of our hand, not the fingertips. So we're going to go ahead and we're doing this technique out of a closed stance. Feet are together. We are doing this actually with a trap. And we're pulling the trapped body part into the low knife hand strike. So we are starting with a closed stance with the feet. Our left hand, okay, my left, is behind my right hand. Chamber's in front of my left. Okay. So I'm starting in this position, overhead, big sweeping motion, and my right hand, the knife hand strike, is coming into my left hand, just like that palm of my hand. This part of the hand striking the palm. Okay? As you will notice, as I come through that big circle with both of my hands, I am starting with a little bend of my knees, and actually as I come through and do the low knife hand strike, I'm actually coming down a little bit more, bending those knees. Like I trapped a kick, I'm striking. So let's take a peek at this from the sides. Some of the motions with the hands, let's see them a little better from the side. So closed stance. Left hand, right hand, which is doing the strike in front. I've already got it set up for the knife hand. Okay, it's chambered in front, left is behind. Big sweep. Bend the knees, striking your right hand into your left palm. Here, and strike. Okay. From the other side, you'll see the trap. Okay, left, right hand in front. Okay, this is my trap hand, this is my strike hand. Okay, I've trapped. Strike. One more time. And strike. Okay. Yes, it does sting a little bit, slamming your knife hand into your other hand. Okay, so do take it easy, especially when you're striking your own hand. As part of the pattern, you only have to do this once in the pattern. So as you do it in the pattern, go ahead and do a nice, quick strike, a nice pop. Okay, pop that hand. Pop that knife hand into the other hand. Make it have a nice sound when you're doing it with the pattern. Like I said, we're only going to do the pattern a couple times. So you only have to do the strike a few times. Okay. We're going to go look at this on a target so we can actually get that knife hand strike on a target. Now, like I said, the other hand is actually doing a trap. So we're going to go ahead and look at that a little bit with the shield also. I'm going to have Mr. Burger shift out here and assist. Thank you, sir. Now, we are going to be using the small oval shield as our target. Okay. Normally this is designed to be used against a kick that you've trapped. We're not going to use each other's feet, okay? We're going to use this nice padded shield. So I'm here, closed stance. Like I said, left hand, right hand chambers in front. That is my strike hand. My both hands do that big circle motion. My left hand traps. My right hand strikes. Go ahead and just start. Just slowly go through the technique. Like I said, I'm not hitting the shield hard. I just really want to kind of get that motion down. It is a big motion of the arms. Okay? Just like that, striking with the correct part of my hand with a knife hand. We're going to go ahead and switch sides just so you can kind of see what the other hand is doing. This is a trap. Okay? Okay, so I'm starting up here, stood, left hand, right hand in front. Okay, this hand basically just guiding my target towards the knife hand. So it's just here, bring it in, and strike. Okay, because the person's probably not going to put their foot right where I want it, so I'm going to have to bring it into the strike, just like that. Okay. Starting, bend those knees a little bit at the end. Strike into the target. Trap and strike. Thank you, sir. Okay, like I said, this is used as a trap. You trapped a kick, head high, or a knee. You trapped it and you're bringing it into that knife hand strike. Okay. We're going to use the shield basically to make it a little bit easier on your hands and a whole lot easier on your partner. Okay. Practice that in the air. Closed stance, get your hand set straight correctly. Left hand behind, right hand in front. Okay. Knife hand for that right hand. Big sweep, bend those knees, strike your right hand, right knife hand into your palm of your left hand. Okay. Practice that, like I said, work in the pattern, make a nice contact, make good noise while you're doing the pattern. It sounds really good. Okay, practice that on a shield. Okay. That is the low knife hand strike out of the closed stance. Thank you very much.